In September 2025, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia officially signed the Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement, SMDA, marking a pivotal moment in the evolving relationship between these two nations. The agreement was formally signed by Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and Saudi Crown Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman on September 17, 2025. One of the core tenets of this agreement is the mutual commitment to respond to any act of external aggression against either country as a shared threat. This provision underlines the solidarity between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, emphasizing their intent to function as a unified force against external threats. The agreement outlines various dimensions of enhanced defense cooperation. It includes coordination of military capabilities, joint exercises, strategic planning, and countermeasures. These initiatives are aimed at ensuring both countries are prepared and synchronized in their defensive operations. The SMDA emphasizes a shared commitment to national and regional security. It reflects both countries' dedication to maintaining stability and peace within the region, aligning closely with their mutual interests and regional aspirations. Deep-rooted in a history of Islamic brotherhood, religious ties, and long-standing defense cooperation, this agreement reinforces the historic bonds between the two nations. Despite its strategic intent, the agreement has sparked discussions and concerns among observers who perceive it as a move that could shift the regional balance of power, especially in the context of the ongoing tensions in the Middle East. In essence, the Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement aims to fortify Pakistan and Saudi Arabia's collaborative defense capabilities, assisting both in confronting regional security challenges effectively. As always, for more detailed insights and updates on this matter, we encourage viewers to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you and goodbye. Long live Pakistan. Long live Imran Khan. Long live the Pakistan Army.